Christopher asking, doing business as Christopher J. Kramer. Very rarely do women use spermicide. That's why a man is relieving himself, such as myself. I have a high metabolism. My adrenal gland is multissimos. I invented watercress, planted, cooks without heat or cold, bubbles, by the attraction of the sun and the moon. But anyway, very rarely does a woman depend on spermicide or elixir. It's cool. They like it. It's soothing. They run, they can think about it. But they're pulsating. They have a numerical pattern of a quasar. I want to ask you a question about you knowing. You have to be strong. You have to be a man. They don't want the sperm. They want the yak. They want the do 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 do. So I like beats. They'll say, "Oh, it's not my beat. It's not my pattern." You know, that's what they want. They can whine and dine and, you know, kiss all around the lobe until you scream and sing, but it's never going to produce the likeness of until it's clasped with a uterine and the two pancreases of ovaries, Shanes and Chandros, and Jean saying, no, she's not doing it there. Yeah, she's doing it here. No, she don't want that. She needs this. Well, it's not here. He's just doing it, and she's trying to make it. Well, this is all hers. You know? So this is how I actually feel. Christopher Xuris, doing business as Christopher Jack Kramer.